How to change Facebook chat settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Again scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, tap on how people can find and contact you. Again scroll down. Now under how you can get message request, you can access different settings. Simply tap on the settings. Now choose your preferred option and tap on save. Now if you want to access more settings, simply go back, then tap on message at the top right corner. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.